If your hair is not growing or you're experiencing stunted growth, the problem might be from the scalp because new hair always grows from the scalp. So it's very important to treat your scalp. When chemicals damaged my hair and I did a big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. My hair was always breaking out and thinning out. But after discovering natural ingredients and knowing the right way to use them, my hair is flourishing and is now much more thicker and fuller. I now know how to use it on my hair strands and on my scalp. And today's video is one of those recipes, so make sure you're watching to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. If you're one of my returning subscribers, I do appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, commenting on them, giving them thumbs up, and even sharing it with your friends and families. But if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video. And I can promise you're going to love it here. Because right here, we learn how to grow our hair using natural ingredients and also how to care for the hair. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is the African black soap. This soap has been underrated, but today I'm going to tell you so much about it and also show you the right way to use this soap in order to cleanse your scalp and also to grow your hair much faster. But before going into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so I just cut some black soap. I didn't measure it. And I also make sure to cut it into little pieces. I'm going to tell you why it is very important to make sure your black soap is cut into little chunks. After cutting them into little chunks, I'm going to put them in a bowl like so. And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use this black soap for later. But there are a few ingredients that we need to add to this black soap to make it even work much better. So let me introduce my next ingredient. The next ingredient I'm going to use is my flax seeds. Flax seeds are really great when it comes to hair growth, and when it's added to the black soap, it's going to maximize the benefits of the black soap and even make it work much better, especially when it comes to stopping hair breakages. Flax seeds contain many minerals and vitamins. It contains vitamin B, which helps strengthen your hair strands and prevent it from breaking. It can also improve blood circulation in the scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. Also, if your hair dries a lot or your hair tangles a lot, you can add flaxseed gel to your hair care regimen and it's going to help resolve that problem. Alright, so I measured about 4 tablespoons of flax seeds and I'm adding about 3 cups of water to my flaxseed. I'm also going to add some rosemary herbs. Rosemary are also great when it comes to hair growth. It is also going to stimulate blood flow into the scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. Rosemary herbs can also treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be suffering from. And this will give way to new healthy hair growth because you all know new hair grows from the scalp. So whatever treatment that will help treat your scalp is something that you must take seriously. So after having my 2 ingredients together like so, I'm going to transfer it onto the stove and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Just make sure you stay with your mixture and give it a stir every now and then because you do not want them to stick on the pan and start burning. And hey beautiful people, it will mean a lot to me if you can show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And also if you are new here, I would love for you to join us by subscribing and clicking on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen that can help you grow your hair much faster without any chemicals damaging your hair. I also show you how to care for your hair. So make sure to join us. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so at this point, my flaxseed gel is ready and I need it to be really hot. Guys, do not allow it to cool down. Just strain it directly and add it to your black soap because we need it really hot to help dissolve the black soap. And that was why we needed to cut the black soap into little pieces to speed up the process. I'm also going to add some mint tea bags. Mint are also great when it comes to hair growth because it's going to also treat your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. I'm also going to add my green tea bag. Green tea has a whole lot of great benefits by treating your scalp, treating your hair strands, and preventing your hair strands from breaking. If you are someone who suffers a lot from hair shedding, hair breakages, hair fall, split ends, you must incorporate tea rinse into your hair care regimen because it's going to help stop all that. And that was why I added the tea bags to this recipe. It is going to maximize the benefit of this recipe in order to help it stop hair breakages as well as treating your scalp. So at this point, the water is really hot, so I'm going to cover it with some foil paper to make sure the heat stays in there. This will help extract the tea leaf bags and also help dissolve all the black soap. But it's going to take some time. It took me about 45 minutes. It is about 30 minutes now, and I'm here to check my recipe. So the water has begun cooling down already, and my tea bags have all been extracted. And I just love how it's looking now. So at this point, I'm just going to take the tea bags out because it has already been extracted. And I'm still going to let this recipe sit in the water for about 15 minutes more or till the black soaps all dissolve. Alright, so I'm just going to set it aside, cover it again with a foil paper and leave it for 15 minutes. It has been about 15 minutes and this is what we have in now. There is still some particles of the black soap, but it is fine. Most of them has been dissolved. African black soap originated from West Africa and is made from bark of plants and also plant leaves like the cocoa pod, the palm tree leaves, and also the shade tree bark. And these are all dried together, roasted together, and blended together. So there are always some little particles in the black soaps that you do not want stuck in your hair. So it's very, very important you strain it to get rid of all those little particles. And also I'm going to add my olive oil. Black soap tends to be a little dry to the hair, so you always have to add some oil to it to help maximize its moisturizing effect. And also with the flax seeds added, it's going to make the shampoo really smooth to apply to the hair and make detangling your hair so much easier. Black soap is a clarifying soap. It gets rid of fungus and bacteria that might be growing on the scalp. It will help treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. New hair always grows from the scalp, so when all these bacteria and other things are stuck on your scalp, it is going to be difficult to grow new healthy hair. Use the shampoo twice a month in order to get all the benefits out of it, and do not forget to moisturize your hair after that. Make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!